am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see series solution of Legendre differential equation. Right. We have the Legendre differential equation is 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 into y equal to 0. Here, coefficient of y double dash is 1 minus x square. Here 1 minus x square equal to that p naught of x. Here, if we will give x equal to 0, p naught of x is not equal to 0. At the same time, in Bessel equation, p naught of x equal to 0 we got. Here, in Legendre equation, p naught of x is not equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So, in Bessel we applied Frobenius method. Here we are applying power series method to solve this equation. For that power series method we will take, we assume this one should be the equation 1. Solution is of the form y equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity ar into x power r. This one I am treating as equation number 2. This one I will differentiate. Why I have to differentiate? Because here d square y by dx square is there, dy by dx is there. That's why just I am going to differentiate this. Differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity ar into x power r. Differentiation should be r into x power r minus 1. Then differentiation of this again dy by dx with respect to x, if I will do, I'll get d square y by dx square equal to summation of r equal to 0 to infinity ar into, here already r is there, differentiation of x power r minus 1 is r minus 1 into x power r minus 2. Now I found out y dy by dx, d square y by dx square. I am going to substitute in equation 1. So now equation 1 becomes, just I am substituting this, 1 minus x square into summation of r equal to 0 to infinity ar into r minus 1 into x power r minus 2 minus 2x into dy by dx is summation of r equal to 0 to infinity ar into r into x power r minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 into summation of r equal to 0 to infinity ar into x power r. So now what I am doing, I am multiplying this 1 into this term, then minus x square into this term, then 2x also I am multiplying inside. So if you will multiply and simplify, you will get first term should be 1 into this is nothing but ar into r minus 1 into x power r minus 2. Next, I am multiplying with minus x square. Already here x power r minus 2 is there. If you will multiply with x square, you will get x power r. That only x power r. Remaining terms we are writing what is that? Summation of r equal to 0 to infinity r into r minus 1. Next, I am multiplying this x into x power r minus 1. What is that? X into x power r minus 1 is x power r. Now just I am multiplying this 2 into ar into r into x power r plus n into n plus 1 into summation of r equal to 0 to infinity ar into x power r equal to 0. Now, first the smallest terms we can equate to 0. If you will equate to 0 smallest terms, usually in power series method, we will take two arbitrary constants are not equal to 0. That is nothing but smallest coefficient x power minus 2 and x power minus 1. So, if you will equate this, so you will get a0 is not equal to 0 and a1 is not equal to 0. Two arbitrary constants is not equal to 0 in the power series method. Now, in this expression, I am going to equate the coefficient of x power r. If you will equate coefficient of x power r, here what is the term should be see here x power r minus 2 is there. If I want to equate x power r, what I will do here, replace r by r plus 2. You will replace, you will get first term should be or that. To get x power r, I am replacing r by r plus 2 in the first term. If you will replace r by r plus 2, what will come? ar is there, ar plus 2. Here r is there, r plus 2. Here r minus 1 is there, r plus 1 you will get. Next, here also same, already x power r is there, directly I will write this term minus ar into r minus 1 I will write. Here also x power r coefficient minus 2a into suffix r into r plus n into n plus 1 into ar equal to 0 you will get. This is just I am equated x power r coefficient. Only in the first term, what is that? X power r minus 2 is there. To equate x power r term, just what you have done, replace r by r plus 2. In remaining terms are all, what is that? X power r is there. Now, here, say ar plus 2 into r plus 2 into r plus 1 equal to, just I am sending this one this side, ar I took outside, r into r minus 1 plus 2r. If you send this side, you will get plus 2r minus n into n plus 1. You will get. Now, ar plus 2 term I will keep this side, then r plus 2, r plus 1 if you send this side, it will divide. You will get, see, I am taking minus also outside, n into n plus 1 minus r square minus r divided by r plus 2 into r plus 1 into ar. This one I am treating as equation number 3. Now, I will give the values of r equal to 0 if I will give, what I will get? I will get the term a2. R equal to 0 means 0 plus 2 should be a2. Here r equal to 0 means what is that? A minus of n into n plus 1. R equal to 0 means 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2 into a naught. Next, r equal to 1 I will give. If I will give r equal to 1, I will get a3. Right, in the place of r equal to, if I will give 1, so n into n plus 1, this is minus n square plus n. Here r equal to 2 if you will give, r equal to 1 if you will give, minus 1 square is minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2, divided by r equal to 1 means 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 into 2 is nothing but 6, r equal to 1 here. Now, this only just what I am doing, I am factorizing this. If you will factorize n square plus n minus 2, you will get in the form of n minus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 6 into a1 you will get. Next, you will give r equal to 2. If you will give r equal to 2, you will get 2 plus 2 should be 4. That is nothing but a4. R equal to 2 means, here see, just I am multiplying this. N into n should be n square plus n into 1 should be n. R equal to 2 means, what is that? Minus 2 square minus 2, that is minus 6 divided by 12. Now, n square plus n minus 6 if you will factorize, we will get minus of n minus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 12. Here already we know that the value of a2, what is the value of a2? Already we found out a2 is nothing but this one. Just I am writing here, what is the value of a2? Already we know that no, a2 is nothing but minus of n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into a naught. That value also I substituted. Now a4 finally I will get in the form of this minus into minus should be plus. Then first term n, then n plus 1, then n minus 2, n plus 3. 12 into 2 should be 24 into a naught. Next, similarly a5 will give r equal to 3 if we give, you will get a5 will give then minus of n into n plus 1, that is nothing but n square plus n. R equal to, if we give 3, minus 3 square is minus 9 minus 3, that is minus 12 divided by r equal to 3 means 3 plus 2 5. R equal to 3 means 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 into 4 is 20 into a3. What is the value of a3? Already I have written here, see. Now first I will factorize this. What is that? N square plus n minus 12 if I will factorize, I will get minus of n minus 3 into n plus 4 divided by 20 into a3. What is the value of a3? Already you know that, no? Minus n of n minus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 6 into a1. That value I am writing here. Now finally this minus into minus should be plus. N minus 1, n plus 2, n minus 3, n plus 4 divided by 20 into 6 should be 120 into a1. So now if you see a2 in terms of a0, a3 in terms of a1, then again a4 in terms of a0 I got it, a5 in terms of a1 I got. So some term should be in terms of a0 and some term should be in terms of a1. Now all these values I will substitute. See, I will expand this, what is that, equation 2. If you will expand this equation 2, what you will get? a0 into x power 0 plus a1 into x power 1 plus a2 into x square plus a3 into x cube. Like that you will get. That only here I am expanding equation 2 will get in this format. A0 into x power 0, a1 into x power 1, a2 into x square plus a3 into x cube plus a4 into x power 4 plus a5 into x power 5 and so on. Now I'll segregate even terms are all one side and odd terms are all one side. Why I am segregating, you should know that already odd terms are all in terms of A1, even terms are all in terms of A0 is that. That's the way I have been segregated that. A0 into. Why? Because A2 in terms of A0, A4 is also in terms of A0. Now I am substituting A0 is A0 only. A2 value I substituted here. Then A4 value this one. Similarly, plus here A1 I took outside, x minus, here this is A3 value, n minus 1, n plus 2 divided by what is that? 3 factorial is what is that? Into x cube. This is nothing but what is that? A3 value. And similarly A5, this is nothing but A5 value. Already we found out that A5 value. So and so on. So it will continue here or all odd terms. Here should be what is that? Here all even terms. Here odd terms will continue. So this only I will write A0 into this terms. I am denoting as u of x plus a1 into this terms I am denoting as v of x. So this is the series solution of the Legendre differential equation. What is u of x? U of x is this term. What is v of x? V of x is this term, which is the series solution of the Legendre differential equation.